What if the key to true happiness is not getting more, but cherishing what you already have? In our chase for more, we often overlook the blessings right in front of us. Today, let me tell you a story, one that might just change the way you see life. There was a boy named Rohan. He was bright, curious, and always wanting more. When he got a new toy, he wished for a better one. When he had a tasty meal, he complained it wasn't enough. No matter what he had, he felt something was missing. Seeing this, his wise grandfather, Dadaji, decided to tell him a story he would never forget. Long ago, there was a prince named Viraj. He had everything, a grand palace, silk clothes, the finest food. But still, he wasn't happy. He always wanted more. One day, a wandering sage gave him a bowl, a small, empty bowl. "This is a magical bowl," the sage said. "Fill it with something truly valuable, and you will find happiness that never ends." The prince smiled. He filled it with gold, then diamonds, then pearls. But the bowl stayed empty. He tried again and again, but it was never full. Frustrated, he asked, "Why is it still empty?" The sage replied, "This bowl is just like your heart, always wanting more. It will stay empty until you fill it with gratitude." The prince looked around, at his family, his loyal friends, the beautiful land he ruled. For the first time, he felt thankful. And in that moment, the bowl glowed with golden light. So did his heart. Rohan listened carefully, and something began to change inside him. He started noticing the little things: his home, his parents, his friends. That night he whispered, "Thank you." From that day forward, his life began to change. He smiled more, he felt lighter, he stopped comparing and started appreciating. And slowly, happiness found him. Now I want to ask you, what fills your heart? Is it always wanting more? Or is it gratitude? True happiness is not about having everything. It is about seeing the value in what you already have. So take a moment, look around, and say these simple words. Thank you. Because when you do, you will discover something powerful. Gratitude is magic. Let's learn some new English words from this story. Gratitude means feeling thankful. Frustrated means feeling upset when things don't go your way. Valuable means something that is important or special. The more stories you hear, the more your English will grow. Keep learning. Keep growing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, the best is yet to come. You got this.